All right, we're back. Oh, God. Package day. Oh, this is very exciting. Because what's inside this package, I can assure you, unless I put the wrong item in, is going to be what's known as fucking awesome. Here we go. Look at that. VIPER V2 4500 wide spool. Wireless remote, flush mount dash switch included, hand wound with USA-made AmSteel Blue synthetic rope. I went with black, even though blue would be cool. I just know that the colors fade and then you get something different later, and black fades to gray and it still looks pretty legit. Let's see if we can open this up without destroying everything. We're gonna dig in this thing and take a peek. Am I doing this wrong? Is there an easier way to do this that I'm not seeing? How's the flippity flap work? Maybe it's just a flipper on the top. Worst video ever. Maybe you can watch this video, then you can learn how to open your box and you don't look like a stupid idiot when you get yours. Try to impress your friends. All right, let's make sure we're all aimed up good. Everything's running. All right. First thing, the generic mount plate. Thanks for including that. Instructions, we'll read those in a second. Oh man. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Holy shit, it's like from the future, dude. Look at that. That's beautiful. You see that? Mm-hmm. How cool is that thing? We got a package here. That's the flush mount dash switch. So I'm going to say this. MotoAlliance, you gave me a blue pull tab. Thank you. That matches my machine. But I'm almost 100% sure that my switch is green. Blue with green? Look good on Kawasaki. So this particular unit, they do some cool stuff with. So they give you blackout cables with just the indicators on the end. So you don't like, normally this yellow would be the full yellow cable. Then you have a big bright yellow cable everywhere. Same with the blue cable. Black obviously always black and the red. So that's cool. Like, it's supposed to like make a cleaner install. Nice aluminum painted black. I don't know what happens to this part. I assume that just turns shiny once you run a rope over it. I believe that's a 6" on center. So that's my fair lead. You see that? Yeah. Got boss man here with me. Wireless system. Looks like they changed it completely from their old ones. I've run the old VIPER Elites. So it's a new, they really shrunk it down. That's way smaller. If that's actually the system, that's crazy. The other one used to be really big. That's the new remote. It's supposed to have a longer range. Solenoid. Pretty standard stuff. I guess I can pop that out real quick if you want to see that. I don't think that's anything like over the top. Color coded, obviously. Yeah, it's pretty standard. They claim it's supposed to be stainless steel hardware. Comes with the rubber bump stopper. Pretty heavy duty, actually. That looks pretty nice. It's not just a solid one, it's a two-piece. We're going to grab a magnet here in a second. Where's a magnet real fast? We're going to check some of this stuff. There's a magnet. So, for example, what do they use on this? Oh, that's definitely sticking. So that doesn't seem to be super stainless on that. Let's take one of these nuts off. They claim that's stainless, but that's sticking pretty good. I guess there's different grades of stainless. This is all aluminum, which is pretty wild. Did you realize that? That's all cast aluminum.
Oh, yeah.
No magnet. Magnet doesn't stick to these things, so those are actually stainless. That seems to be stainless. It's not sticking to the turnbuckle, or it's not turnbuckle. What do they call that? An eyelid or whatever. Let's check this bag. So for the fair lead, that's stainless. This regular hardware is not stainless. It's all sticking to that. The mounting stuff, but you're gonna get nice stainless on your fair lead. Let's check the hook. Comes with a black hook. Obviously, just steel, pin steel. I mean, whatever. It'll look cool for a while. It'll turn a different color after a bit. Then you got some rubber boot stuff. A bunch of shit stuck to it. Just your terminal covers. Those are pretty standard. And I think that's it. Yeah, this thing is intense though. Like, that's so good looking. It's pretty heavy. I mean, that's not playing games. It's 60 foot of rope. 4,500 pounds. MotoAlliance VIPER ATV UTV winch. Huh. That's wild looking. It's so good looking. It's so modern looking. Let's should we show them what they're putting it on in case you just tuned in? That's what it's going on. You can see that over there. Now, I'm doing a new bumper, so I have to wait for my bumper to show up. So stay tuned for that. But I couldn't find any unboxings. Now that unboxing's great. Let's, we got one more thing to check, I guess. Sorry, I forgot about this. Let's check this out real fast. Lots of good sticky tape. So it's an in-dash control toggle, pre-wired. Let's listen for it. So it's a detent to neutral, probably for safety. Pretty straightforward.